Casa Grande. When I was born again. Casa Grande. When I was born again.
Thank you,
The
thank
things
you.
I used to do, I do them no more. The things I used to do, I do them no more. The things I used to do, I do them no more. Casa Grande, when I was born again. Me on in my love, happy birthday. Happy birthday to the celebrant. Sing happy birthday, sing happy birthday, sing happy birthday to the celebrant.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday,
Thank you, thank you. Hello netizens, hello mga kailaw ng tahanan, haligi ng tahanan, you're all invited to go with me as I celebrate my birthday today. First of all, I would like to thank God for this additional year of my life, for the gift of life, and for the gift of health. I'm thankful to God that He gave me a very supportive family at nag-effort pa silang mag-serenade early in the morning. This celebration, guys, includes the day before of my birthday and a day after my birthday. This is a continuous celebration. I'm also thankful, guys, for all the netizens who are following me, who are watching me always, and I also developed a little community on online as I started my vlogging. And this is my second year, so I'm very thankful to God. I thank you all guys, mga kailaw ng tahanan, mga haligi ng tahanan, who keep supporting me in this journey. As you have seen my celebration last year, I just celebrated at home with the family and few visitors. Now I am celebrating outside. I'm going out from my comfort zone. After our family worship, pumunta na kami sa Cavite. May nagustuhan akong restaurant doon beside the Shenda Designer Outlet. Ang sarap ng pagkain nila guys, kaya join na kayo dito sa aming pagkain na merong simple, merong maasim, merong kunting oil, meron ding nilaga, meron ding grilled. Ayan, ang sarap dito guys. Kaya binabalik-balikan namin to. Kumpleto kasi dito guys. Ginagang beef. Tapos meron na namang mga gulay. Kumpleto talaga. Tapos biyahe na naman kami. Punta kami sa Indian restaurant.
Anong masasabi ng asawa ng kailaw ng tahanan?
Masayang masaya ako dahil yung misis ko, birthday niya ngayon. Siya ang buhay ko.
Thank you.
May nag-crave kasi ng thin crust pizza. Kaya ayan guys, kakain muna tayo. It's a birthday celebration travel vlog. Walang putol talaga guys dahil yung eldest daughter ko, celebration din ng birthday niya kinabukasan. Kaya diretso na guys. Wow, sarap din ang pagkain dito. Medyo creamy, medyo oily na, at medyo talagang malapot. Pero meron din naman yung salad. Masarap talaga guys. Ang ganda talaga dito. Oh, yung mahilig sa pizza, enjoy lang kayo guys. Tingnan lang ninyo. Enjoy na lang yung mga sarili nyo dyan. At i-feel din ninyo na kasama kayong kumakain dito. Ayan, okay. At kung sakaling feeling mo na umay ka, meron din tayong creamy mushroom soup. Yan. Okay, pili lang. Lasagna, buffalo wings, at may 6 pizza din. Pag gusto lang. Enjoy lang tayo lahat. Happy eating, guys. Ayan, si Cookie kumakain ng lettuce. Okay, bilis-bilisan nyo dyan. Kasi another set of orders. Grabe, guys. Ano lang talaga to, continuous lang. Kahit pa konti-konti, pero ano siya, continuous. Para naman satisfy ang tiyan for a while, for straight 3 days, and then pagkagabi, Oh, rest na with with mga soft diet para makapagpahinga naman ang tiyan. Diba okay lang guys? Ano lang.
Po ng ating celebrant ngayon. Okay? Ano po ang greetings nyo sa iyong mother-in-law na si Adelces? At pinainom kayo ng mango lassi, Mister? Anong masasabi nyo?
I wish her good health and long life ahead of her. Yan lang. More years ahead of her.
Okay? Para naman sa bunsong anak ni Adelces, ano ang masasabi mo at mag-greet mo sa iyong mama?
Birthday night.
Okay? Interviewin na natin ang birthday celebrant ngayon. Happy birthday, Adelces. Ano ang kinakain mo?
Thank you. This is an Indian food, which is very healthy. Okay. These are all healthy foods. Ma'am, siya ang nanganak sa akin. Pero ipanganak ako mamayang gabi pa.
Bakit ka na lumabas
Kaya-
ngayon?
Kaya may celebration, may continuous ang celebration ngayon, mamayang gabi. You're all invited, guys.
Si Adelces ngayon ay kumakain at habang kumakain,
Wraps with so many spices in it.
at naka-short pants po siya, mga kailaw ng tahanan.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng kapamilya ko. Maraming salamat sa handa, sa healthy food. Salamat sa mga greetings at salamat sa mga lahat na dumalo sa celebration na to. I love you all guys and I hope if you have still mothers in your home, you always bring your mothers and care for them while they are still alive. Ayan guys, kain na kayo ng kain. Another set of healthy meal. Ayan, blanch na yan guys. May string beans, may talong, cabbage. Paminsan-minsan, meron tayong mga oily. Paminsan-minsan din, meron tayong mga blanch. May soup, stirred fried vegetables, at kunting protein para balance.
Cousin. First cousin ba to? Oh. Anong masasabi mo sa iyong pinsan? Sister Gingging?
Happy birthday. And I hope many more birthdays to come.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. At ito ang reyna ng ating mga kadamil. Ano ang masasabi mo, Mamang, sa iyong anak na si Adelces na ngayon ay sikat-sikat na vlogger?
Sabi ko, mahabang buhay.
At
Happy birthday, guys.
Thank you.
Kasi wala naman kayong palayaw na Inday. Ano ba yan?
ano? Tagalog si Mamang? Ano pa masasabi mo, Mang? Huwag kang umiyak, Mang.
Wala naman, pero lang.
Na-touch daw si Mamang sa birthday celebration ng kanyang unika iha na nasa Pilipinas. Dahil ang dalawang unika iha ay nasa ibang bansa. So si Adelces, happy birthday and we wish you all the best in life. May you prosper in everything you do.
Thank you. Labi, guest parking. Oh, mga pagdrido. Yan, biyahe na naman kami guys. Going to Timberland Highlands Resort for fine dining. Spend the sunset there. Wow, entrance pa lang guys. It's incredibly beautiful. It's located at the top of the mountain and it's so cool here guys. Here we are now while waiting for the food, sightseeing. Wow, overlooking the hills. as well as to the
nice
city,
in here,
guys.
guys.
Kitang-kita ang mga building and you
Let's
are
go
at the
swimming,
front
guys.
of the pool. Swak for overnight stay, have some swimming, and then have spa. And then, of course, the food is so nice and delicious. Really recommending this for family staycation and for any celebration. Hi everyone! Hi everyone, mga kapamilya. Thank you sa inyong preparation sa akin. I'm so thankful for this and for those visitor coming. Thank you so much. Happy eating, guys.
Thank you for waiting.
Grabe, ingon na sa bato.
Ay, gusto ka? Eh, Happy birthday.
The birthday celebrant is right.
Thank you. Ang galing. What a surprise. Thank you.
Thank you. Happy birthday, Nay. Lahi day lang ko. Happy birthday, Adelces. Blow your candle. Sige. Thanks. Happy birthday.
Slice cake. Slice si tatay.
Guys, dito na tayo sa ating room. Ngayon, mag-unboxing tayo. Let's go! Surprise! What is the surprise for this birthday? Tingnan natin. Last year, guys, ang natanggap ko, ay, kadami-dami talaga mga clothes na maraming Mickey Mouse. Pero ngayon, ito iba daw. May nagkalabog-kalabog sa ilalim. Bakang live, mga live kaya, or hindi naman siguro mabuhay kasi close ito. Pero talagang merong something. Tingnan natin, guys. O di kaya electronic na ano. Basta something, parang meron talagang iba. Okay, bilisan na natin. Huwag na natin patagalin. Ano kaya ang laman nito ng birthday gift? Ayan, ayan na. Malapit na. Okay. Let's all together discover the moving item inside. Oh no, ano kaya ito? Oh, it's not moving anymore.
Wow!
Surprising talaga.
Salamat sa nagpa-surprise.
Oh, ang ganda, guys. Oh, gustong-gusto ko ang kulay. Thank you very much. This is a gift from my second daughter. Yan, tapos may ano pa to. May shoulder, ano pa, sling. Ang ganda, guys. Tapos may ano pa dito. Gusto ko talaga to. May lagayan sa center. Saka may belt. Ayan. Ito, may mga lagayan. Alam mo na, maglagay sa mga small packets. Sa mga ATM cards, ganyan. Sa wallet. Oh, kompleto. Thank you very much. Special thanks to my second daughter for giving me this. I like it very much. I love it. Celebration is worth it. Lalo na nakatanggap ako ng 2 bags of Coach and Michael Kors. All original, guys. Ready to go. Isn't it amazing? It's so cute. Thank you for watching.